Okay guys, so the first special type of equation I want to talk about are rational equations. Okay, you've probably seen these before. They're just equations with fractions. Now, I don't think anyone necessarily likes the fractions being here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to try to eliminate the fractions. That's done with this little thing called the LCD. It's called the least common denominator. Okay? And the least common denominator is the smallest number that all of the denominators in the equation go into. Okay? That LCD in this case is 20. Okay? The way to eliminate the fractions is to go ahead and multiply both sides of the equation by the LCD. Okay, so I'm going to do it to both sides. That's fine. Okay? Now what I'll get if I go ahead and distribute 20 times 7 over 4 plus 20 times 1 over 5 times x minus 20 times 3 over 2 is equal to 20 times 4 over 5 times x. Now, you may be wondering why I didn't go ahead and actually multiply them together. Well, you could, but it's a little easier if you do this because look at the 20 and the 4. I can reduce the 4 to a 1 as long as I reduce the 20 to a 5. Notice I've divided both 20 and 4 by 4. Then what I'll get is 35. No more fraction there. Same thing here. 20 over 5, I can make this a 1 as long as I make this a 4. That's 4x. Minus, look at the 20 and 2, I can reduce that. So this becomes 30 over here, the 20 and the 5. That's just 4 over 1. I got 4 times 4. That's 16x. And all of a sudden, this isn't a rational equation anymore. This is now just, well, a non-rational equation. I'll combine like terms, so I get 4x plus 5 equals 16x. Get my x's on both sides. 12x equals 5. And we can get x, that's going to be 5 over 12. This time I'll leave it to you guys to go ahead and check. Okay, so I'll write this in our nice set notation. Alright.